कोरोनामुळे आलेल्या संकटात मानसिक कोंडमारा झाला असेल, मनस्थिती थोडीशी ठीक नसेल, अभ्यास विसरला गेला असेल किंवा मध्येच आठवत नसेल, काळजी करू नका. उजळणी स्वरूपात 10वी अभ्यासमालेचा लाभ घ्या आणि यशस्वी व्हा.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn new poem. Poem's name is that The Song of India, which is written by well-known poet V.K. Gokak. The Song of India, the title is apt and appropriate. The V.K. Gokak, who was a V.K. Gokak? What is the full name of the V.K. Gokak? Vinayak Krishna Gokak. His born was on 9th August 1909 at Savanur in Dharwad in Karnataka. His education, he has completed his education at Karnataka College and then he has completed at Oxford. He got the awards, Padma Shri Award, Sahitya Academy Award and Gyanpith Award. As a poet, he was one of the leading figures of that the Navakavya, means that is a new poetry moment of that the 1950s. Means his contribution was very important in that the Navakavya or new poetry. Then his literary works like that. What are the literary works of that V.K. Gokak? That is Bharat Sindhu Rashmi. He got the Gyanpith the award for that the book. Narari. Then the India world culture, everything is there. His death, he passed away on the 28th April 1992 in Bengaluru. It is a little bit introductions about that the V.K. Gokak. Now we concentrate on that is the Song of India. Actually, the Song of India, the title is the apt and appropriate, suitable title. It is a philosophical poem. It is in the form of dialogue between the poet V.K. Gokak and the Mother India. It means that in this poem there are two speakers. The first speaker, that is a poet himself, V.K. Gokak, and that is a Mother India. What is the outline of this poem, or what is the approach? Means we'll get, while studying this poem, we'll get the two approach or two views. View of V.K. Gokak, a poet, and the view of that is our Mother India. There are two views, two approaches we'll get in this poem. What is the opinion of our view of that the V.K. Gokak, poet V.K. Gokak? Poet wants to sing a song about that the glorious past of India, beauty of nature, then that is the industrial progress or the forest or ocean. Everything he wants to tell with the help of his song. But what is the approach of that the Mother India? She is totally disagreed with our V.K. Gokak. What is the approach of the Mother India? Mother India wanted him to sing about that the poetry. She tells she wanted him to sing a song about that the poverty or the ignorance people or environmental pollutions, exploitation of the people, condition of the lepers, condition of the homeless people. She said to that our V.K. Gokak to sing a song about that the person. Means here, while studying such the two statements, yes, we'll get there is a contrast between both. Means the approach, thought approach, means thought-provoking poem. It is a thought-provoking poem. We try to understand. And so, we'll get such the contrast between the V.K. Gokak and our Mother India. And now here, we turn to the poem. Poem's name is that Song of India, which is written by well-known English poet. Poet's name is that V.K. Gokak. What a song shall I sing of you, my mother? What a song shall I sing of you, my mother? I ask. Shall I sing of the Himalayas? Shall I sing of the Himalayas with their snow-born peaks? Shall I sing of the three seas of that wash your palm? Shall I sing of your clear the Dwan with the pure gold streak? And said after that, said the mother, imperturbable, babel, yes, and the calm. And she said that, sing of the beggar and sing of the leper that swam by street, sing of the filth and the dirt that fall my sylvan retreats, retreats. It means that here, what was the approach? In this first stanza, we'll get the two approach. What was the approach of that the poet? Poet wants to sing about that the beauty of the Himalayas, snow-born covers or snow-covered the Himalayas. Through his, the song. Then again the poet says that, yes, shall I sing of the three oceans like the Arabian Sea, Indian Sea, or the Bay of Bengal, the beauty of the sea, and such the sea, yes, touched to the coastal line. It is also, while seeing such the scene, we will get the beauty. Shall I sing about the beauty? Again here the poet says that, shall I sing of your the clear Dwan with its pure gold streak, early in the morning, the beauty of the earlier in the morning. That is the sunrise comes from that the golden sunrise comes from that the sun, means early in the morning. Yes, the year shall I sing of your the clear Dwan with its the pure gold streak. Means the approach of like that approach of that is our the poet wants to tell something about the beauty of nature. But what is the approach of our Mother India? Mother India crossed to that and she said that, yes, the years she said that, sing of the beggar and leper that swam my street here. In my country, street means that is a country. In my country, yes, so many the beggars, so many the lepers are there. Yes, you say about that the conditions of the condition about that the beggars and the leper. Sings of the filth and the dirt that foul my sylvan retreat. And already, yes, we cut the trees or everything. We are created such as the dirt and the filth on this earth. And you say about that the reality. Means the approach of the Mother India, she wanted him to sing about that the reality of India. Actually the beauty is there. Beauty is existed. There is no need of to tell or to sing about that the beauty of nature. It is a approach we try to understand. Now I concentrate on the next. What a song shall I sing of you, my mother? I ask, shall I sing of your rock-cut temples, epic in stone, of your children that died to call you their very own here? Shall I sing of seer and the prophet that hewed that straight path for that man that pilgrims alone? And it is a approach, means what, which means what is the approach of that the poet? What a song shall I sing of you, my mother? Yes, he said, but the poet V.K. Gokak said to that Mother India, shall I sing of the rock-cut temples, epic in stone? And already we know that in ancient period or nowadays also, our stones are built up of that stones, and on that the walls, their walls are carved with that is a pictures, figures with that is a heroic stories. Epic in a stones, that is epic. Epic is a long narrative poem. Epic in a stone means that is a long narrative poem or the heroic deeds. On that the heroic the deeds on that the stones here. Shall I sing of the children that died to call you their own, their very own? The children, the word children is a referred here. The children the word children is a refer to that the soldier, and the approach of the soldier, you see, the soldier just died for our motherland, mother, or that is the country. And here again the poet says that, shall I sing of the seers and the prophet that he would the straight path for that man, that pilgrim alone. And here the role of the seers and the prophet is like that, to give the right path to the people. It is the duty, the role of the seer and the prophet. Shall I sing about that, the contributions of the seer, or the role of the seer or the prophet? After that, what is the reaction about the Mother India? Said the Mother India in indignant words. Now she became very angry. The poet says about again and again about that there's the beauty of nature, or everything. She did not like. She does not like about that. Yes, the year said the mother in indignant words, and then that beat into my ears like the gong. Such words are repeated again and again like a gong. What you say? Yes, such the words comes again and again on my ears, that is the ears like gong, that flew about the beautiful thing like the white birds. Again she said that, sing of the millions that toil, sing of the wrinkled face, indexing ignorance, sing of the helpless child born in a bleak and dark home. And again she wanted him to sing about that the millions that toil, or we salute to that the farmers, we salute to the laborers, because the millions of the people that toil. Sing of that wrinkled face, neglected face, nervous face, we say that, indexing, ignoring, neglected people, or neglected the persons. You sing about that. Sing about that the helpless child. Sing about that the helpless child born in the dark home. We know that the helpless child, condition of the helpless child. Yes, here they lead their life in a darkness. Everywhere there is a darkness in their life, and you tell about that the condition of that the helpless child, or that is the ignorant people. Everything you can tell. Do not tell about that the beauty of nature. Again, now he sees nervous I yet would ask, dimming it my task. What shall I sing of you, my mother? What a song! Shall I sing of the dam and lake of steel mills? Shall I sing of the ship yielding yard? Shall I sing of men that work hard? Shall I sing up to technologies to put you on the page? Shall I sing of that atomic, that is the age? Again, our poet becomes nervous, unhappy. He does not know about that, about his condition, about his the opinion. He do not miss here. Nervous I yet would ask, dimming it my task. Now he totally our poet becomes nervous. Again here he said that, what song shall I sing of you, my mother? He does not know which type of song he will sing such a song. What a song! He said again and again. Yes, shall I sing of the dam? Means the industrial progress. Shall I sing of that lake? Shall I sing of that is the steel mills, or the shipbuilding yard, or the men that work hard, or technology? What is the technology? Yes, or the atomic age. Yes, he does not know which type of song he will sing a song. Yes, here he does not know about that. He does not understand which type of song he will sing. Then again said mother, up you may sing, but sing also the slice early and late, of iron men that came in their wake, of class war and its correlate. Yes, again she said that, yes, to sing about the strikes early and late, to sing about that the iron men and that they come in their work, or to sing about that is a class war and its correlate. Querulous, I said, is there no song that I can sing of you? Heart hold the unalloyed, a sing bath in the stainless blue, unwavering in the void. Yes, now here, now he totally, yes, the board with that, he totally unhappy, nervous, and with complaint. Yes, now the poet said to that, our Mother India. Yes, is there no song that I can sing? Yes, is there no song that I can sing of you? The heart, whole, or unalloyed? Yes, you give me such a song that is a pure song, heart, whole song, unalloyed song, you say, and then, yes, I will sing such a song about that the things. Yes, a song about in a stainless blue, unwavering in the white. Means here, yes, the poet totally means he complained. With complaint, yes, he said to that the Mother India, you give me such a particular song, pure song, heart whole song. Yes, and then I will sing a song. At that the mother rose. At that the mother rose, draped in a blue sky, milk white ocean hued around her. There the views were the entrancing and enthroning light, on which she sat and wrote the book of morrow. Her forehead open like earth destiny, elding the sun god, cancelling out sorrows. It was a cleared one, like a night mask played that night, and sunbeam was as a hand at the sails. And after that year, the Mother India, yes, that is a woke up. Mother India woke up and wrapped in a blue sky. Yes, she wrapped in that is a blue sky, in that the milky white oceans around her. Yes, she that is a woke up. Yes, she woke up and wrapped in the blue sky. That is a blue sky, and yes, the white ocean, the milk white ocean, the hued or the wrapped around their waves were entrancing, enthroning light. The waves are, yes, that becomes, that is a seat or the enthroned to that our Mother India, and on that the waves she sat and wrote that the book of tomorrow. Tomorrow means that is the book of tomorrow. Tomorrow shows the future of our country. Now she is going to write the future of our country, and so here, yes, now here, here's the year on which she sat wrote the book of tomorrow. Her forehead open, the earth's destiny, earth's luck, and elding the sun god. And again the year the sun god is there. Sun god is appear on this at that time. Yes, cancelling all the sorrows, and the sun god, yes, represent as the cancel or remove all the sorrows. And it was a cleared one also, yes, remove the sorrows in our life. Like night mask played the night, and sunbeams was yes, as the at hand at that the sails. It means that here Mother India wants to write about that the future of our country, or the good life, about that the good life. Everything means here the poet, there is a conflict between the poet V.K. Gokak and that is our Mother India. The V.K. Gokak does not know which type of song to sing about that, but she does not like what he says, there is a says, and so here she is also totally nervous, and then here she sat on that the waves, and she is going to write the future of our country. It is the summary of this our poem, little bit summary. I will try to give the little bit summary about that. That is the Song of India. It is a philosophical poem. It's a very, very important for you, and they will ask me this poem is very important for the 4-mark questions, and so very, very useful for you. Now I will turn to the questions. The questions are very important here. The questions are like the 2-mark questions I will discuss here. What are the epics? Why does 2-mark questions? Now I will focus here. What are the epics? Why does the poet call the temples as the epic in the stones? Now what are the epics means? Epic is a long narrative poem, or the heroic deeds which is mentioned on that. And here the temples are made of that the stones, and the walls. Their walls are filled with the figures or the pictures. So you can write that. Question number 2. Why does the poet mean by the of your children that died to call their own? Means here the children means the soldiers. Soldiers are fought against the enemies and to save our the motherland. You can write there. Number 3, what according to the poet is a contribution of the seer and the prophet. The role of the seer or contribution of the seer and the prophet is like that. They shows the right path how to walk on this earth, and so it is a role of that is our the seer and the prophet. And the question number 4, what does the motherland writing the book of Maro? The motherland is going to write about the future of our country, and so it is the answer of that the 4th questions. Now we turn to that is the 4-mark questions. It is a very important, like that. Write in your own words the substance of a poem, the Song of India, or the write a brief summary about that. It's very important, very useful for you. You summarize, yes, you prepare such the summarize and you use such the summary in your exam. Thank you very much.
सबस्क्राईब करा तरुण भारत न्यूज चॅनलला आणि ताज्या घडामोडी सर्वात आधी जाणून घेण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा.